now, after my birthday celebration for 3 days, we are now started to collect olive. Ayan yung olive trees. Ayan siya, may fruits. Yung mga nakolekta kanina, it's galing yan sa baba. Ayan. Ayan siya, oh, ready na. Ayan. Yan yung mga kinukolekta. And later, dadalhin yun siya sa mailing station. Ayan. There's another tree here. I think we have a total of, there's another one. I think we have a total of 30 trees. Yan, olives. Maaraw siya na malamig ang panahon. Yung asawa ko nangolekta kanina. Hindi ako sinasama kasi yung baby girl namin tulog pa. Mataas siya. Ayan, another olive trees pa. Masyado na siyang mataas. Kaya need to trim. There's another one over there. Konti lang na-collect kasi kakakat lang ng asawa ko. Medyo fresh pa yung bagong tubo. Ayan, meron pala, oh. Tingnan mo, ayan. Take. Ayan, kunin ko nga. Diba? Sayang. Dagdag olive oil din to. Baka di niya nakita itong mga to. Ayan. Ayan, fresh pa yung ano niya. Mga olive trees namin. Dito tayo sa hallway. Pababa, ayan. Ayan, may olive pa ulit. Bago lang talaga siya. Yeah, another olive trees. Let's go. We have another one here. Ay, not just one. Oh, look. Tinamad na yung asawa ko atang. Here. Another olives. Hindi niya hinarvest. Oh my God. Look. Olives. What this? Oh. Look. Another olive trees. There's another one. Dito siya nag-harvest. Ayan na. Nahulog. Oh. Dito pala siya nag-harvest kanina. And I think that one, that trees. There's, yeah. Ang dami sa taas, hindi na niya naabot. Tapos doon sa baba, meron pa ding another olive tree. Hulog. Sarap kaya mag-harvest ng olives. Kasi hindi na ako nakakasama. Hindi na ako nakakasama kasi nga may bata. Dati nung bago kaming dalawa nag-harvest dito, ang dami namin nakukuha. Mga 20 na lalagyan talaga. Crate. Have some oranges. Oh, see, there's a grape still. Oh, wild grapes. Akala ko wala na. Meron pa palang wild grapes. This is for olive oil. O diba, may na-contribute ako sa harvesting. Yung mga tira-tira ni Habi, ako na naglinis. Aray! Ouchie! Wala kasi akong gloves. Yan ang napala. Kasi konti lang naman siya. Eh, sabi ni Habi, throw away daw. Eh, sabi ko, sayang naman. Magiging olive oil pa to. Mahal na, napakamahal nito sa Pilipinas. Ang olive oil sa Cyprus, sina-harvest lang. Tapos gagawin ng olive oil pagdating sa milling. Ay. Di ba? Winter daw. Ready to bring to the milling station. Now we're going to the milling station, and Mavi and I will join Papa so that we can go to the town. She's always staying here in the house. Stay at the car only. Well, Papa is dropping down all these olives. Hi, baby. Where's the baby girl? May I see?
No, Papa, no. Down.
Yeah, Papa, put it down. Already. Oh. Oh. Okay. What do you want?
What? It's go down, down, down. We're going to somewhere? Right?
Move.
No, Papa is closing the gate. Oh my God. Where are we going? We're going to the milling station of olives. Now we are at the milling station. Look, you. Yeah, Habi taking all the olives to weigh there. You want to go down? Please.
Put money first. Oh, wait, wait. Okay, put.
And Pepsi. There you go.
Look.
There you go. Wow! They... Show it to your Nona.
Huwag na. Cold. You wanna eat this? Yeah?
Ayaw niya? Our olive started to mellow. Yeah. Yeah. I thought it's just a small amount, huh?
More than 100 kilos.
Oh, really? Wow.
Because these 5 boxes, they weighed them and they were 90 kilos.
Mm.
They have more.
No more. Wala pa.
Saan nakapila? Naubusan ng baby.
After at the milling station of Olive, now we're gonna buy our food. We're very hungry and we decided to have some.
There's no children, right? It's closed.
We decided to buy some burger and fries here at the Burger
Yeah, it's
King.
messy. Look.
And the baby
Yeah.
girl wants to go to the playground. It happens that there's nobody in. So
Yeah.
they're gonna stay at the car with Papa.
Yeah, bisa mo naman.
Now we're eating. We buy the mega promo of the Burger King. It just only cost €11.95. And we have lots of food. You know what? 4 of French fries, 2 hot dog, cheeseburger, total of 8. So, gutom kami doon sa mailing. Grabe ang haba ng oras. Sira naman diet. The baby girl is eating French fries. Huh? It's been a while that she's looking for French fries. Then when she knows that we're going to buy it, and she's so very excited. Nakagawa, lawas na naman kami ng lungga namin. Pagkawa. Pauwi na kami. It's already, umayos kami ng bahay around 1 p.m. Now, nandito pa kami sa town. 4:52 na. Just, pwede din ko siya. The papa is eating the hot dog. Yummy.